healthylifstylecrib presents 7 interesting facts about coffee you may have ignored. There are an estimated 2.25 billion cups of coffee consumed every day around the world. It is said that Voltaire drank up to 50 cups of coffee a day and lived to be 83 years old. Therefore, we found 7 reasons why you should go out and get yourself a cup of coffee right this second. Number 1. Coffee raises blood pressure. The next 2 days before your blood pressure is checked, you should avoid drinking coffee. Ask your doctor if you should reduce or stop drinking caffeinated beverages if you have high blood pressure. Hypertension or low blood pressure, on the other hand, can be a serious and even life-threatening issue for some people. Even a small cup of coffee can cause a hypertensive episode if you don't treat it. If your blood pressure is too low, adding a cup of caffeinated beverage to each meal can help increase it. Number 2. Coffee improves mental performance. For a short period of time, coffee with sugar can transform you into a mini genius due to the modest stimulant effects of caffeine and coffee on the central nervous system. The release of adrenaline is triggered by this neural activity, which causes your heartbeat to increase, blood pressure to rise, breathing tubes to open, and sugar to be released into your circulation for more energy. It has the potential to enhance focus and concentration, but only at high doses. Number 3. Coffee makes your memory better. Coffee has been shown to improve mood, alertness, and memory. Coffee's stimulators and neuromediators not only lift your spirits and increase your productivity, but they also enhance your recall and retention of information. Of course, it works with your short-term memory, but this is sufficient because all knowledge is originally kept in a short-term memory and only an hour later does it enter our long-term memory under specific circumstances. Coffee breaks can provide a much-needed mental break when it becomes tough to concentrate. Overall, coffee is a tasty beverage that might help you feel more energized and improve your memory and learning capacity. Number 4. Coffee is a stress reliever. Due to the release of dopamine and serotonin that provide a positive mood, coffee is a good anti-stress drug. Coffee has a calming effect, even if it's just a cup or the aroma. Coffee drinkers may have a lower risk of depression because of this. Men and women who drink 2 to 4 cups of coffee a day appear to have a 50% lower chance of taking their own life. Coffee is one of the most commonly used stimulators of the neural system, and its regular stimulation keeps depression at bay. Caffeine in tea, soda, and chocolate does not have the same effect on the central nervous system as caffeine in coffee. Caffeine in coffee, on the other hand, does. A cup of coffee can help you stay awake after lunch. Even while long hours at the office can be taxing on the brain, coffee has been shown to help persons with jet lag or shift work sleep disorders perform better. Caffeine's effects are less pronounced in frequent coffee drinkers since they don't drink it on an empty stomach. Number 5. Coffee boosts your immune system. Known as a stimulant, caffeine is found in coffee. It's a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and other elements that can help boost your immune system. According to research conducted by scientists from a variety of nations, drinking coffee can help prevent early mortality. As a result, your immune system is strengthened and healthier. Many cancer-fighting antioxidants and phenolic chemicals can be found in coffee. The liver, heart, and digestive systems are all benefited as well. Instant coffee has fewer nutrients and more chemical additions, which is particularly harmful for people with Parkinson's disease. Research suggests that caffeine, among other things, may be responsible for the potential preventative benefit. Number 6. Coffee makes a headache go away. For migraines and headaches, caffeine can help. If you've ever taken a prescription drug, you know that it contains caffeine. But many people don't realize that caffeine is also found in many over-the-counter prescriptions. As a result, it's found in a plethora of well-known painkillers. Up to 40% more effective, in some cases. In moderation, caffeine's energizing and pain-relieving qualities can be enjoyed without sacrificing the medication's potency or effectiveness. Number 7. Coffee makes you lose weight. For coffee lovers, this is the best news ever. Coffee can help you lose weight. For a short period of time, it can reduce your hunger and perhaps increase a little amount of fat burning. Having a low level of leptin hormone causes your body to begin accumulating fat, which results in weight gain. Coffee, on the other hand, raises your hormone levels. You now understand why coffee drinkers gain weight more slowly and benefit more from exercise. When you're at work or exercising, caffeine provides you an extra jolt. You can help us make more educational videos by giving this one a thumbs up and share it with your friend. Subscribing to the channel and checking the notification bell are the best ways to stay up to date on new videos like this one. In addition, be sure to take a look at our other videos. Thank you for your support. And here's our bonus. Click the link in the description to get more information on how coffee can help you lose weight.